Let me show you how to use the helmet camera. The video is a bit long, thank you for watching to the end. Helmet Recorder User Guide. Helmet Recorder, Magnetic Pad, in the box. The first button from the bottom is the power button. Press and hold for 2 seconds to turn on. Press and hold for 2 seconds to turn off. The second button is the one-tap save button. Each video is recorded in 5-minute clips. Then it goes to the next clip. Press this button to save the clip you want in advance. From bottom to top, the first indicator is the power light. When the battery is low, it blinks. The second is the recording status light. It blinks while recording. When not recording, it is off. Then the third is the red charging indicator. While charging, it stays on. There is a mic hole at the front. It has a water-resistant design. There is a reset button on the bottom. Press it to restore to the initial state. The charging port is at the back. Now we start the operation demo. Press and hold for 2 seconds to power on and start recording. While recording, the status light blinks, the power light stays on. When the battery is low, the power light blinks. Now we show the installation method. First, stick the magnetic pad with the hole onto the helmet recorder. Then wipe the helmet surface. Clean with an alcohol wipe. Then peel off the backing on the other magnetic pad. Position it vertically at the center of the helmet. Stick on the magnetic pad. From the side, aim for about a 20-degree tilt. Finally, attach the helmet recorder to the magnetic pad.